And next in the series is a DTW300. I was just going to say I think this is a 300 because it looks the same as mine, the one I use myself. Now this one, put the battery on it, no life. So let's tear into it and see what we can find. I'm going to assume it comes apart in a similar way to the others. It works on. So we'll start with taking the front off the gearbox. Okay, so the gearbox, the drive design is different on these. Oh, how beautiful, it's really clean. Okay, that's good. That's a plus. Let's take the case off. Okay. Back off the motor. It's not bad. Slightly different design. Come on apart. So I find it really interesting that there's no life in anything at all. Let's start and lift out the speed control. There's the back of the gearbox. There's the back of the motor. And that's the wiring to the light. So, don't see anything scary on it. Obviously, nothing there. Now, I was looking for and actually expecting to find a fuse. I'm going to go back to basics here. It doesn't even give me the battery level indicator. There's a switch in that. Nothing there at all. I'm going to get a multimeter and just see this 18 volts across there. There's 18 volt goes in, 18 volt comes out. I think, unfortunately, the fault is in the speed controller on this one. Now, I did have a bit of a mind that I can nick the speed controller out of one of the other dead machines I've got, but there's too many differences in it. So I think with this one, my only sensible option is to see if I can get hold of a motor for it. Let's have a little look on the old eBay. It's going to be the usual, isn't it? The motor's going to be more than the drill's worth. Yeah, I don't see. Right, the speed control unit is 150 quid, more than the drill's worth. So I think, again, unfortunately, we find ourselves with a machine that is in a state of uneconomical to repair, which is a bit of a shame. But I think with that in mind, I'm going to put this one together and keep it as spare parts of my own drill. Now, there is a bit of suggestion that this could be down to the switch. I put the battery on mine and had a look at the buttons. They don't do anything until you pull the trigger, and the trigger sort of initializes the power board to come on. So who knows? I am going to have a quick look and see if the triggers on the other machines that I took apart is the same trigger. Green box. So unfortunately, this isn't one we're going to bring back to life at this stage. But I suppose, if nothing else, it shows you, if you've got one of these yourself, how to take it apart, that it is dismantleable. And, you know, it can be worked on. But I think what I need to do is possibly find one of these with a different fault on it and rob it for spares. So I think I'm going to have a good hunt on eBay and try and find a model the same that the gearbox is shot in or something like that, and then we'll come back to this and make one out of two. Anyway, thank you for watching this. I hope this has been of help. I hope you've enjoyed this, and let's see what else we can come up with. Thank you.